This video is going to go over how to sort our client info Google Sheet purchase history tab by date, so that way we can create our follow-up list for our clients. So you're going to move over to column C where it says date. You're going to click it so it highlights it blue, and then you'll press on the little arrow. Once that loads, you'll scroll down to where it says short sheet from A to Z, and it's going to put things in date order for us. It's going to have the client name along with the date. What we're doing, we'll scroll all the way down, so it's going to be the most recent for us. So 9/26. So we're going to look for things based on the date range given. So we'll move over to our follow-up list Google Doc. We want to create a list for all the clients who have ordered within the past 7 days, and I'll provide the date for you. And then all the clients who ordered about 3 months ago so that we can follow up for them. So for the past week, today is the 28th, so we'll go from like the 20th. So the clients who have ordered from, let's say, the 20th on would be within our last week. So we would see 9/20 they ordered. So we'd take the name Dawn Thorne and move it over here that she ordered within the past week. Dawn Thorne, and we'd continue down the list until we have all of the clients who ordered within the past week. Now, if we're searching for within the past 3 months, we would scroll up. So we're now in September, so we'd scroll back 3 months, which would be all of our June orders. So we'll scroll up, and we're just going to touch base with every single person who ordered in June. So there are quite a few of them. So you'll literally put on the list, the first June order I have here is Miss Brandy Mathern. So you'll take her name and put it here on the list under 3-month follow-up. And you'll go down the list until you finish out the entire month of June or whatever month that we are working on. In our task list, I'll always notate here what month we're working on. So the past week will have a date, and then the 3 months will also have a date, and I'll notate it as well in the DigiClick, the ClickUp system here. When we're putting it in, I'll put the date range that we're looking for as well.